Hello everyone, so today we will learn how to create auto text scrolling in Figma. So let's get started. First of all, we will need text. So let's write some text like hello everyone. Need to make it a bit bigger. 256. Then also need to repeat the text. Perfect. I also need to make it a frame. Auto layout, align left, and let's make this frame name first. We'll copy and paste to create a second frame and name it as second. In this frame, in the frame, we need to pick a width. For example, 1280. This is my width. Same goes for the second one, 1280. On the first frame, I aligned from the left, and on second, I will align it on the right side. Then we clip both of the frames and we'll create components. Merge the component in a single one and let's name it scrolling text. Then I have to do the prototype. Connect the first one with the second one and let's trigger with after delay. The delay duration is 1 millisecond, and then the animation will be smart animate. Curve will be linear and the duration is 10,000 milliseconds. Perfect. And from the second frame, I will also mark it as after delay. The duration will be 1 millisecond. For some, yeah. Okay, perfect. So now let's make those white and put it in the frame, the main frame. So the main frame size is 1512. So in that case, we need to put this same size in our components. Perfect. Let's make it center aligned and let's run this prototype. It's working. Perfect, it's working. So this is how we can easily create our auto scrolling text in Figma. Thank you everyone.